is our champion. Do you know who our new Milo champion and Milo ambassador is? Yes, sino nga? Huwag tayo mahilig. Yes, louder. Sino? Yes! Alex Ayala, the nation's darling. Dado ba? Yan. So, we're very, very excited. Kasi si Alex ang tunay na Milo champ. So, did you know that she joined Milo Sports Clinics when she was 8? Look at those, how authentic can it be, right? So she joined our Milo Little Olympics pala when she was 8. She became a champion of our age group tennis tournament of 8 and under and 10 to 12 years old. So she was a champion then. She was a champion of our Milo Junior Tennis Tournament. And she won the 2019 Milo Junior Athlete of the Year. And as I speak and as we share this room today, she has also been winning the hearts of many Filipinos, inspiring all of us every day. Tama po ba? Have you heard a friend or someone na napanood siya tapos nakita kung gano'n siya kaano? She's full of grit and grace, right? I'm sure all of us have been touched by her Milo story. And so, we are super excited because she really is the embodiment of a champion, and we know that she will inspire, she will make a difference, and she can influence many Filipino kids to get into sports and to be champions in their own right. So like Alex, we hope that you share your stories. Meron ba ditong pwede mag-share ng
Just had early initial discussions of is she open to these partnerships? Because of course, as you can see, her partnerships are global level na, right? But I think what was great is that the moment we reached out, Carlo really reached out to the talent management agency and all of that. The camp immediately responded with excitement. Because and as we can see, it is really part of her story. She grew up with Milo, and it was just a matter of the logistics, so the final agreements. But if she always at the camp always expressed strong interest to participate, and if they were going to partner with a brand in the Philippines, it was Milo would be one of the top ones. And our initial meeting in the shoot was actually very good. She flew straight from SEA Games, from her final match to SEA Games, barely had any rest, and went all the way to shoot because she had one day available for us to be able to do the shoot, and she made it happen. So I think it's very heartwarming for us to have her back as officially as part of the Milo family.
I'll add something na rin. Ano yun? Teaser na yun ni Lord kanina. So, he said something about the shoot that we had. So later, you'll be the first one to see the shoot. So, abangan po niyan sa ating program later. But what